So in this question we're going to try and simplify this algebraic expression, 2x over x minus 5 minus 3x over x plus 5. Now to simplify this, what we've got to try and do is to get these into one fraction. Now as it's a subtraction, we need to get the same denominators first before we can move on. So what we'll do is as one is x minus 5 and the other is x plus 5, we'll just call them both x minus 5 and then the other one x plus 5. And then the same here, I'll have x minus 5, x plus 5. Okay, now let's take each one in turn. So this one I've got x minus 5, which is here. But now I've got an x minus 5 in my denominator as another term. So I now need to put x minus 5 in my numerator. That way then I keep this thing the same value. So now write this as 2x times x plus 5. So essentially I've multiplied it by, if I write this over here, x plus 5 over x plus 5. Whatever happens there, that's just 1. So I've multiplied this fraction by 1, so I'm not changing anything. So the same thing will happen on this side. I've got x plus 5 here. I've got another x minus 5 term in it multiplied. So I need to multiply this one by x minus 5 as well. And it's the same principle as what I did on the left-hand side. Okay, so now what I can do is, I've got the same denominator. So now I can write it as one fraction, which is our goal. That's what we want to try and do. So I've got x minus 5, x plus 5, and now I can put these two numerators in this one numerator here. So let's multiply these out as we go. So distribute the 2x with these two terms inside the brackets. So 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times plus 5 is plus 10x. So do the same in this one. But this time being a little bit careful with our signs. So we've got minus 3x times x, which is 3x squared. So we've got minus 3x squared. And then here we've got 3x times minus 5, which is minus 15x. But I've got another minus here, which is still relevant to this term. So now I'm going to add 15x. Okay, so now denominator is fine as it is. My numerator, let's just simplify some terms off here. So x minus 5, x plus 5, and then I've got 2x squared minus 3x squared, so that's going to be minus x squared. So I'm going to write my x squared like that, plus 10x plus 15x plus 25x. Okay, so now that is my fraction here simplified as much as possible.